If you've lost access to your PayPal account and no longer have access to the email address associated with it, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the PayPal website and click on the login button. On the login page, look for the option that says having trouble logging in and click on it. Step 2. Choose account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. If you choose to recover your account using your phone number, enter the number linked to your PayPal account. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your identity. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Follow the instructions to complete the password reset process. Step 5. Update your account information. After successfully logging in with your new password, navigate to your account settings. Update your email address and any other necessary information to ensure you have access in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your PayPal account even without access to your email address. Always remember to keep your account information updated to avoid similar issues in the future.